Greetings children, welcome to the e-learning class of 8th standard. In our previous class, we discussed about the practical geometry, that is we have already completed 2 sessions, now it is last session children. It is in the page number 105 to 116 your textbook children. Now in our previous class we discussed the elements of quadrilateral, just recall those elements of a quadrilateral again children. A quadrilateral is a four-sided closed planar figure, isn't it? Yes, it is having 4 vertices, that is A, B, C and D are the 4 vertices here children, and it is having 4 sides AB, S, BC, CD and AD. Again it is having 4 angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Here since I have taken the rectangle, all the 4 angles are 90 degree here children, and it is having 2 diagonals also. Diagonal means if we join the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral, then it is called as diagonal. It is having 2 diagonals, that is AC and BD here children. Yes, these are the elements of the quadrilateral. Now in our previous class, we already learned that we require any 5 measurements to determine a quadrilateral uniquely, which means we need any 5 measurements. It may be sides, it may be angles, but we need 5 measurements to determine a quadrilateral uniquely here children. Now we also learned that construction of quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. In today's class, now we are going to discuss about the construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, and one more, when other special properties are known. These 2 we will discuss in our today's class children. Are you ready for today's class? Yes. Now let us discuss the construction of a quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. Let us learn by taking an example. The example is in your page number 113 in your textbook children. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and they have given 2 included angles also children. As angle B is 105 degree and angle C is 80 degree. So now we have to construct a quadrilateral such that AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter and angle B is equal to 105 and angle C is equal to 80 degree. These 2 are the included angles. Now as we learnt in our previous classes, first we have to make a sketch of the figure children to observe the idea how we can start off. Then only we can decide to locate the other point children. Now first I will draw a sketch like this children. This is ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, included angles, that is angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degree, whereas the side CD is 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to find out which side we have to take as a base. Can we take AB as base or BC as base or CD as base? That we have to decide here children. Now let us do the construction here children. So now construction. First identify the point, that is I am taking BC as base which is 5 centimeter. I am marking point B and point C. Yes, BC is 5 centimeter. Right. Now I will take a protractor and place it on point B. I will measure from right side, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Between 100 and 110 I will mark point, that is 105 degree. Yes. Now I will join the marked point with point B and I extend the line. Observe here children, I am extending this line. Now taking the help of a compass, I am cutting that marked line with radius of 4 centimeter here children. I am marking that intersection point as A here children. Now BC is 4 centimeter. Again I am taking protractor and keep at point C, identifying at 80 degree, marking that 80 degree point and joining that point, extending that line also. Now with the help of pair of compasses, I am taking 6.5 centimeter as radius and cutting that marked line from point C. Now I will identify the intersection point here children. That intersection point I am giving name as D. Now I will join A and D. This is the required quadrilateral here children. Yes, this is the required quadrilateral here children. So let us do this construction again children. Observe this. Taking base BC, that is 5 centimeter, marking the points B and C here. Now with the help of a protractor, taking at point B as center, I am marking angle 105 degree, which is there between 100 and 110 degree children. Now I am marking a point, joining that point and extending that line. Again with the help of pair of compasses, by taking 4 centimeter as radius, keeping B as center, I will cut that line. Yes, identify the intersection point. I am taking that as A point. Now BA is 4 centimeter. Again at C I am marking 80 degree. Yes, I am joining that marked point and C point, extending that line. With the help of pair of compasses, I am taking 6.5 centimeter as radius, cutting that line, marking the intersection point as D. Yes, now I will join A and D. This is what? ABCD is a required quadrilateral here children. This you have to construct like this only children. Now in the above example, we first drew BC. Instead that we could have been drawn any other starting points. Observe here, I have drawn BC as base. If I take AB, is it possible for us to construct a quadrilateral? Yes, it is possible for us to construct a quadrilateral. If we take CD as base, yes, then also it is possible. If we take AD as base, no, it is not possible, because we do not know the value or we do not know the length of AD here. It is not possible to construct the quadrilateral here children. So think, discuss and write. We used some 5 measurements to draw quadrilateral so far. Can there be different set of 5 measurements, that is other than seen so far, what we have seen, to draw a quadrilateral? The following problems may help you to answer this question. This is there in your textbook also children. They have given, we already learnt how to construct a quadrilateral when these 5 measurements are given. Other than those 5 measurements, if they give any other measurement, is it possible for us to construct a quadrilateral? They are asking like this. Is it possible? Just you have to think here children. Now let us take some examples so that we get answers for this question children. So observe here, construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB as 5 centimeter, BC as 5.5 centimeter, CD as 4 centimeter, AD as 6 centimeter and angle B is equal to 80 degree. Observe here children, they have given AB, BC and CD and AD. They have given all the 4 sides, the values of or the lengths of all the 4 sides they have given, and one included angle also they have given. Is it possible for us to construct a quadrilateral here? Yes. First what we learnt in our previous classes, first we have to make a sketch to know how our quadrilateral may look like. Just I am drawing like this. ABCD is a quadrilateral where angle B is 80 degree they have given. So, is it possible for us to construct a quadrilateral? This is what the sketch I have drawn. Just think, children. Yes, it is possible. Just look at this, children. Observe the video. AB as base 5 centimeter. Again, angle B is 80 degree. I am marking angle B as 80 degree. And we know the value of BC, or we know the value of length of BC. That is, I am drawing a sketch. I am drawing an arc from C, that is BC, and we know D also, that is AD. The length of AD they have given 6 centimeter, and the length of BC they have given 5.5 centimeter, and angle B is 80 degree. And again one more time, let us see these, children. Observe this video carefully. First I am making AB as base, it is 5 centimeter. With B I am taking an angle of 80 degree, drawing that line, and I know the length of BC, cutting that. Yes. Now even I know the length of AD also, I am marking that point. I know the length of CD also, I am cutting that arc with the radius CD. Now this is what the required quadrilateral here, children. This is how you have to construct a quadrilateral when they have given 4 sides and one included angle here, children. Now taking other base, observe here, construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ as 4.5 centimeter, angle P is 70 degree, angle Q is 100 degree, angle R is 80 degree, and angle S is 110 degree. Here they have given 4 angles at one side. One side means we have to take that side as base. Again observe the video here, children. PQ as base, that is 4.5 centimeter. We know the angle P, that is 70 degree. I am drawing that line. And we know angle Q, that is 100 degree. I am drawing that line. Now they have given angle R and angle S. Where is that angle R? Where is that point? How is it possible for us to identify that point? No, it is not possible for us to identify that point, because R, it may be, what may be the length of QR? We do not know. So it is not possible for us to construct a quadrilateral when 4 angles and one side is given. Observe here, children. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ as 4.5 centimeter, that is base they have given, and they have given 4 angles, that is angle P, angle Q, and angle R and angle S. Now it is the quadrilateral. When we try to construct, it becomes like this. We do not know the point R and point S, so it is not possible for us to construct PQRS quadrilateral here, children. Now there are some exercise problems. Exercise 7.4, page number 115. Observe these problems first. Draw the sketch. First you have to draw the sketch for the problems. Write down each problem, draw the sketch, how to construct, think, and then construct this, children. Now they have given one more. What is that? Construction of a quadrilateral when other special properties are known. What are the other special properties? Just observe this, children. Draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Observe here, children. They have given only one side, that is the length of only one side, and they told us to draw a square of 4.5 centimeter. Observe here, children. What is a square? Yes, square is a quadrilateral with all the 4 sides are equal. And one more thing, all the 4 angles are also equal and they are equal to 90 degree. This is understood when they give the name square here, children. So when they give only one side, is it possible for us to construct? Yes, it is possible, because it is known that all the 4 sides are 4.5 centimeter only and all the 4 angles are 90 degree. They have given, in fact, they have given all the 8 requisites here, children. So now, diagonals of a square also equal. Yes, in a square the diagonals also equal and they bisects perpendicularly to each other, children. So now this is what a square look like, which means all the 4 sides are equal and all the 4 angles are equal to 90 degree here, children. So now, is it possible for us to construct a quadrilateral? Yes, observe here. Draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Observe, first I will take AB as base, that is 4.5 centimeter, with a pair of compass. First identify 90 degree, angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree. With a pair of compass, I will take 4.5 centimeter as radius, cut B and cut at A as center, identify the points C and D, and when we join C and D, it becomes also 4.5 centimeter only, because it is exactly equal to the opposite side here, children. So it is very easy to construct a quadrilateral or construct a square of side 4.5 centimeter. Observe this video again, children. So first what we have to construct? First I will draw AB as base, angle A and angle B as 90 degree. I will mark those points, join those points. Now with the help of pair of compass, at A and B as center, I will cut those lines at 4.5 centimeters and mark those intersection points as C and D. Now when we join C and D, it becomes 4.5 centimeter only here, children, because opposite sides are always equal and all the 4 sides are equal in a square, children. So now draw a square of 4.5 centimeter. Observe here 4.5 centimeter. I will mark 90 degree and I will cut. This is another method what I am doing. I will cut that C point. I will mark that C point. With the C point and with A point I am marking, and even it is possible for us to draw a diagonal also here, children. So this is how we have to do construction, children. Now how will you construct a rectangle PQRS if you know only the length of PQ and QR? They have given only 2 sides. They asked us to construct a quadrilateral, and which means rectangle. In rectangle all the 4 angles are 90 degree only. Yes, opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal, that we know. Opposite sides are always equal, that is PS and QR are equal, as well as SR and PQ are equal, or the 4 angles, that is angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S are 90 degree here, children. Here all angles are right angles, that is 90 degree, children. So now they asked us to construct. Is it possible for us to construct? Yes, it is possible for us to construct a rectangle there, children. Now they asked one more question. Is it possible for you to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC is equal to 6 centimeter, BD is equal to 7 centimeter? Justify your answer. First we have to write down the initial figure, that is the sketch they have given. They have given AC 6 centimeter, BD 7 centimeter. They have given diagonals here, children. Is it possible for you to construct? Just think, rhombus is a parallelogram with equal sides. Yes, rhombus is just like a square. All the 4 sides are equal here, children. So now again one more concept. The angle made between those 2 diagonals is always 90 degree here, children. So now the diagonals of a rhombus bisects perpendicularly. The diagonals of a rhombus bisects perpendicularly. This you have to remember here, children. When they give 2 diagonals, the lengths of 2 diagonals are given. They bisects perpendicularly, that is 90 degree, and they equally bisects each other. Observe here children, first I will take AC, draw 7 centimeter. Now I have to draw 6 centimeter line. Observe here, yes. Now cutting those points. Now marking that intersection point O. Observe here carefully, with O as center, the equal measurement OC. Now I have to cut that one. It will automatically becomes 3 centimeter here children. Observe here, CD, BC is equal to CD and AD is equal to AB, which means all the 4 sides are equal here children. Observe again this children. I am taking AC, marking that as 7 centimeter. Now I am bisecting AC line here children. You know how to bisect. Now I will join that one. With O as center, take 3 centimeter radius because they have given 6 centimeter. The length of BD is 6 centimeter they have given. With O as center, keep 3 centimeter radius, cut that line. We will get point D and point B. Now join BC, join CD, join AD and join AB. Observe here children, you have to observe carefully. AO is equal to 3.5 centimeter, whereas OC is equal to 3.5 centimeter and OD is equal to 3 centimeter, BO is equal to 3 centimeter. Here we know one more property, that is all the 4 sides are equal here children. So construct the kite. They have asked one question. Construct the kite EASY if AY is equal to 8 centimeter, EY is equal to 4 centimeter and SY is equal to 6 centimeter. We have to construct a kite here children. Observe, in kite corresponding adjacent sides are equal in length. Corresponding adjacent sides means, yes, let us see that one. In kite, diagonals are also perpendicular to each other. Now let us see the kite figure children. Here the corresponding adjacent sides, this one and this oblique line, these two are equal, whereas this oblique line and this oblique line are always equal here in a kite children, and diagonals bisects at 90 degree. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other and one diagonal bisect the other diagonal here children. Both diagonals are not bisecting, but one diagonal, that long diagonal, is bisecting this short diagonal here children. Bisecting means equal in length, right children. Now we have to construct a kite EASY if AY is equal to 8 centimeter, EY is equal to 4 centimeter, SY is equal to 6 centimeter. Now observe, this is the image of a kite. Here they have given SY as 6 centimeter, EY as 4 centimeter and yes, AY, that's diagonal AY as 8 centimeter children. So observe this video carefully. Yes, construct the kite EASY if AY is equal to 8 centimeter, EY is equal to 4 centimeter, SY is equal to 6 centimeter children. So first I am drawing AY, I am bisecting that one, taking 4 centimeter as radius, I am drawing 2 circles. Observe here children. So now we know AB is equal to 4 centimeter, YB is equal to 4 centimeter because AY is 8 centimeter what they have given children. Now I know the bisecting point also, that is point B here children. So now EY, what they have given? EY as 4 centimeter and SY as 6 centimeter here children. Observe this carefully. Since they have given point EY as 4 centimeter, since these two circles are not at all intersecting, but in fact they are touching each other, it is not possible for us to locate a point E such that EY as 4 centimeter, because if we try to locate point E, it is not possible because the distance between Y and E must be 4 centimeter. It becomes BY only. So it is not possible to construct a kite EASY children. Observe this video again. First, I will mark a point AY as 8 centimeter. Now I am bisecting it. I'll take 4 centimeter radius, draw two circles. Here I am unable to locate the point E such that the distance between EY is 4 centimeter, because the point B is the center of A and Y here children. So it is not possible for us to construct a kite of given length here children. EASY is not possible here children. So now in your exercise there are some problems, that is exercise number 7.5, page number 116. You do those problems. If you find any difficulties, ask your subject teacher children. So now today's class and in our previous class what we have learned, just recall those points children. We learned any 5 measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely, which means if we want to construct any quadrilateral we need 5 measurements. And again we learned how to construct a unique quadrilateral when the following measurements are given, that is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, or when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, and when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, or when some special properties of known are given. This is what we learnt in our this chapter children. So hope you understand this chapter, you understand these concepts, how to construct this quadrilateral, which is very helpful in your future classes children. So hope you all understood this problem. Try to solve all the problems children, show it to subject teacher. This is K.S. Girish, assistant high school teacher, Jalige, Devanalli, Taluk, Bengaluru Rural District children. Thank you all.